Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Baratza Forte Espresso machine, and so we're just going to check the scale weight to make sure it's consistent. Press tare. And there we go, 17.9. Yeah, that's as close as it's gonna get. And I think it's just really close to 18. But yeah, it's really good, and I think that's about it. So thank you for watching. You see, coffee's nice and fine. You can tell by the clumping. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.